count it up, count it up, count it, count it up, count it up, count it up, count it, count it up, count it up, count it up.
What up, Roy Mafia? It's your boy King Jersey, as always. As you read in the title, I'm here with a banger prank today. I'm actually gonna put packing peanuts in Lotto's truck. So I'm like, I woke up early. I woke up around like I woke up early. I woke up around like 8 o'clock. No, 9 o'clock. It's like 10 now. Yeah, like 9 o'clock to try to make sure I pull off this prank. I'm gonna go to some place, I don't know where yet. I need to look around. To look for some packing peanuts to pack inside Lotto's car. But what I did do is I took Lotto's keys. These are not Lotto's keys, these are my keys. I took Lotto's keys so that he doesn't leave anywhere. He doesn't have, I hope he doesn't have anywhere important to go this morning. Yeah, I hope he doesn't have anywhere important to go this morning, because if so, then sorry, he's fucked. Yeah, so I'm gonna look for somewhere that has packing peanuts, and yeah, we're gonna get this prank started. We'll be back. All right, Roy Mafia. So, like I said, I was doing this packing peanut prank on Lotto. I'm gonna like pack his truck up with packing peanuts. Hopefully, they have them here at Home Depot. I called a few places. Okay, Roy Mafia. So finally, after like a drive for 2 hours, I have conquered. Excuse me. I did find the packing peanuts finally. I went to like Walmart, no packing peanuts. I went to Home Depot, no packing peanuts. That would have been the first place. That was actually the first place I went to. I would have thought that they had it out of all people, but then no. I got some packing peanuts from U-Haul. I only got like 13 bags. Packing peanuts are not that cheap, but actually U-Haul, they weren't that expensive. Yeah, unfortunately I don't think these 13 bags are going to actually be enough, so I have to go get more. I don't know where I'm going to fit these bags. Maybe if I have like 13 more bags of packing peanuts, I have to go to like another U-Haul. Maybe, I think I should be straight. Thank God I remember. All right, so I'm going to do a 2-in-1. I'm actually going to pack his truck up with packing peanuts, and then I'm going to saran wrap the outside, so he's going to get a 2-in-1. All right, so we're pranking him twice, because then he's not going to really see the packing peanuts at first because he has tints. So he's going to be like, you saran wrap my car, now I got to cut this shit off, and then he'll probably think it's easy, like, oh, I'm just going to cut this off and open my doors. No, wrong, buddy. All right, so I'll be back. Let me just go purchase some more packing peanuts. It's the most packing peanuts I've ever seen in my life, by the way. Okay, Roy Mafia. I'm about to go inside the house real quick to see if he's up. Hopefully he's still sleeping. This is literally packing peanuts. Like, hopefully this is enough. I'm about to go check if he's asleep. Okay, Roy Mafia, so Lotto's inside the shower. Right now I'm gonna hurry up and try to pack up his truck before he gets out here. I'm gonna try to hurry up, rush and do it. Hopefully, let's pray we got enough time. All right.
"2,000 years later."
Okay, Roy Mafia. This was a success. I did the first part. So like, if we get caught up with the first part being done, I'm fine. If I don't get to saran wrap the car, I'm pretty chill. But look at the inside of this fucking car. Wait, hold on. Look at the inside of his truck. Well, let me try to saran wrap it.
Two hours later.
Okay, so honestly, Rory Mafia, like when Lotto sees his truck, he's going to be pissed. You understand? Like, livid. Look at this. Whew. Okay, Rory Mafia. So it's finished. Everything's all done. I saran wrapped his whole car. Everything's nice and finished. I got the bubble pop stuff in there. I know you guys probably don't see it. Let's see the car from a distance. Okay. I just called my brother up, or my other brother, and he told me that Lotto was actually still in the shower. So we're in the clear. Alright, Rory Mafia. So I'm gonna head back in the house. I'm gonna go in there, sit down on the couch, act like everything's normal, nothing's wrong, put his keys where they belong, and we're gonna see. You're leaving? I'm about to come with you.
Thank God I got my Lexus. I don't got time for this shit. I'm like, what the fuck? I ain't that much. Planet Fitness.
Yeah, I'm actually pissed you fucking ripped that off. It was supposed to be way harder than that. How does help you?
Yo, now I'm definitely taking this. This is a mess, yo.
Open.
Yo, this is a mess. We gotta pull somewhere. I gotta pull somewhere to. We're gonna clean. Yo, oh no! I should open this fucking door. They said you about to clean all this shit. Oh my God! Are you fucking kidding me?
Dude.
Hey, yo, you gotta be fucking kidding me. Hey yo, this shit. Yo, you better clean all this shit.
Y'all gonna clean this shit.
Come out here, crank the fuck up. Yo, they see that, then they see you on. Yo, how you gonna clean it though?
How am I gonna clean it? Y'all better have y'all have fun cleaning that.
Them motherfuckers going. Yo, how the fuck y'all gonna clean it? Yo, but we got it. Let me see. Bring the I don't got time for this shit.
You said I don't got time for this shit.
I don't. Yo, now I gotta go to the street because I don't want to get this shit. Look at this shit. Can't even drive. I got shit to do. Y'all niggas don't even want to play games. Come on. Look, I can't even get to my fucking break. Hold on.
You gotta kick it over.
This is some bullshit. I can't believe this shit.
He's mad because he can't drive.
And I'm about to...
It's the fact that Royal Mafia, this was one for y'all. Team King Jersey Royal Mafia. This was one for y'all. We had to get Lotto. I know y'all say that he be talking a lot of shit, so this was for y'all. Okay. How you feel?
Feeling like I feel bad for the motherfucker that got cleaned this up. The street cleaners, whoever that is.
Count it up, 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 count it up.